In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your EA account. So the first thing you want to do is open your browser and go to the ea.com website. And once you're there, just sign in to your EA account normally. Now, once you're logged in, what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and at the bottom, you'll see an option that says Help. So just click on Help. Now, once the Help page opens, what you want to do next is select EA Account Support. And when you're on this page, just look for the option that explains how to delete an EA account. Now here, you'll see that EA does not let you delete your account directly, and you actually need to submit a support ticket to do it. So to continue, just scroll down and click on Contact Us. Now, once you're on the Contact page, under the section that says what kind of issue are you having, just search for Delete Account, and then select Delete EA Account. Now for the product section, you can choose anything, it doesn't really matter here. So you can select PC, console, or any option you want, and then continue. Now after that, you'll see a box where you can describe your issue, and here you just want to type that you want to permanently delete your EA account from EA servers, so just write that clearly. Now once that's done, just click on Submit, and your support ticket will be sent and EA will contact you back about deleting your account. Now, if you don't want to wait for a reply, what you can do instead is scroll down and select Chat with Us or Contact an Advisor, and this will open a live chat. Now, once the chat opens, all you have to do is tell them that you want to permanently delete your EA account, and they will guide you through the process and delete it for you right away. And that's it. That's how you permanently delete your EA account. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.